Set the pin protrusion. Put the pin in. Set all the way down. Hold it up with your finger. Then measure how far the depth is. 116 thousandths. Set it at 0. And then go to the pin alone. Make sure you hold the firing pin forward. .54 thou. That means I'm 54 thousandths less than going to the bottom, so the pin's sticking up 54 thou. Protrusion is, you can force the spring down right here to set the pin protrusion. Just pull the spring down with a pair of needle nose pliers or wire strippers. Force that washer down, and if you loosen this up counterclockwise, it'll give you less pin protrusion. Tighten it up because it's a threaded shaft. It'll give you more pin protrusion. Right now I've got this about 49 thou. Always make sure you have this hole lined up with the raised stars on the on this washer. There's some stars that have to index off the cocking sleeve, like so they line up, and this pin will go in there. This has to also be brought back. Once you get it all together, you got to slide the sleeve back so that pin will drop in the hole. I know. See, that has to line up like that. Push center pin in and the sleeve. Get them to line up, and then you can drop this pin in there. Put a little lube on that. Trying a different lube mix here. I don't know if I just like regular light oil. I think I need a little bit of grease. So now you'll be able to push the sleeve. The cocking sleeve can push in right now. Let the cocking sleeve go down in there. Seems to operate very well. So that's in the uncocked position right now. Now we'll put cocking handle on it. Well, after you have the cocking pin pushed into the cocking sleeve and everything lines up good, Put a little lube on it. Put your bolt handle on. Put a little lube on the back of this bolt right here, because that's where the cocking sleeve wants to rotate. I put it in a vise with a rag around it, around the lugs. That'll go in. That bolt will turn in there pretty good when it's not cocked. It'll be a different story trying to get that bolt in if it was cocked. That's why that pin has to be in the uncocked position, right where it is now. And then you can tighten up on it. You can finish it off in the gun if you wanted to. There. There's cocked. Grab the right tool, helps. I got this wire contraption on here so I can measure the lift force when I cock this gun. When I try it right now to see if I got it to run any smoother. This is a Savage Model 12 target action. And I took a measurement lifting this up with a spring scale, and I'll compare it with after what I just did.